Ya.
Isa.
Right.
Taka sema iya kan
Gori.
Apa mau lo itu nga.
Iya.
Ni boleh nak na saya betul mana mataka nak dai
Iya.
sar cuma en VDFM Facebook page,
Iya.
VDFM YouTube channel lah.
Iya.
Ni andra bina kamar ni bina eno buku ni tokan ni kike muni no waro cuma.
Iya.
Eno Dios sa kamul kero point di Rona FM, Dios sa kamul kero na FM,
Right.
Dios sa kamul kero point di Ono na FM mai raki.
Iya.
Dios sa kamul kero point di Wana FM na Coral Coast.
Alright.
Mereka kita mau bikin na lubenta herbuni kian maru itu na sergi bule na ngono boyo cuci na di sereki.
Right.
Na pag bina ka bikin na ngono ni abulu chupa na mato saoti.
Dono bina ka-
Bina kala sebe terongi.
Iya.
Bikin na itu butuh dono be susu bikin na kasi ni buli.
Alright.
Sa pagano sila bikin na muna tapang di borong bulu bikin na matag di ko. Lubi bitin na be siburbura.
Aha.
Di yan rin mata bina ka fata sebex.
Iya, anda bina fata.
Di pa rosa cuma okala di New Zealand di
Right.
matag di ko.
Dono
Well, good morning to the drivers who have been driving this morning. Even though you are facing difficulties on the weather,
Alright.
be punctual, be sightful,
Yeah.
and be
simultaneously.
and be good to the passengers, and the passengers too. Be good to the driver.
Alright.
Be a friendly,
Right.
a good friend.
Manggir mayaw karo TJ.
Right. Good morning to Karo TJ. Thank you very much for the services, the well-known services that you have been kept for.
Alright.
Thank you to all the passengers running from Burerua to the motorbike driver.
Linggo
I am 624,
Yeah.
and not forgetting the people from Northland,
Yeah.
Southern Tailevu, from the northern part of Fiji,
Yeah.
and the Tokelau part of Fiji.
Right.
Not forgetting from the down part of Fiji.
Right.
Kantabu and the people,
Yeah.
Yatulau, Yatuyasawa,
Right.
and the island of Vitilevu.
Alright.
Good morning.
Wa mul tal tungan bikin ni sama tu mana bese buru han na live stream na bukan na menindo sama tu mai.
Iya.
Ada bukan ni kian do. Nono mitu mobici
Right.
ne ngai listal tu mana bukan na no esa. Or tu mana korda bertu ta kamu cuma sama ambul tal tungan bikin ni.
Iya.
And vakat habis.
Last Friday I saw you to in Nandawa.
Yes, we are when we went for the one occasion,
Yeah.
the grogging occasion,
Yeah.
happening in Nandawa, in
Everywhere we go,
Nangari,
grogging.
in the Nangari place. When we was there, ask the Tamai Faustina,
Yeah.
come we go and grog here.
Right.
We hear singing ringi.
Yeah.
Part of the band was singing there. The 26 ons,
Right.
the Kaunialo Sentomoni was there to doing the practicing.
Yeah.
Drinking, I don't know
Okay,
what
what
time.
time you finished from there? What time you left Ngari?
1 a.m. close to 1 a.m.
Sure.
Come back.
You powerful long.
Not powerful because of the singing ring, eh?
Oh, okay.
And I don't know this one. Now what time?
4.
See? 1 plus 4 equals to...
No, because a lot of no level girls there. Oh.
1 plus 4 equals to dope.
Okay, go no talo no na matangani ko.
This the talo from Gary.
Yeah, from
Okay.
Ngari.
I would like to say good morning to one of our family there.
Right.
Siru Semi from volleyball Fiji team.
Right.
Thank you very much joining from Nandawa this morning.
Right,
And also
right,
to the
right,
family
right,
that
right,
joining
right,
today
right,
and
right.
everybody.
Yeah.
You know, every time they was there in one village,
Yeah.
we have in every village we go like the people are close to the bush.
Yeah.
We have some people they are very skillful in hunter.
Yeah.
When they hunting,
Yeah.
they are very good in that. So people are coming. They take them to one village meeting.
Yeah.
Come, let's come doing one meeting.
Yeah.
Right.
You know
Something
what?
happening in the Koro?
Something.
Yeah.
Something happened in the Koro.
Yeah.
There is a pig
Yeah.
who ate all the farm.
Wild boy.
Walboa.
Yeah.
One wild pig is eating the other farm.
Yeah.
But one day, like last week,
Yeah.
there's one people they going for hunting.
Yeah.
They see this wild boar.
Oi.
It look like a calf. Bakal lebih bulu makau.
Oi.
The big.
Oi.
Kira-kaliw.
Right.
Anjena.
When they see them,
Yeah.
but there's one thing that is different from this one.
Right.
Right.
Only 3 leg walking.
Oi.
Only 3 leg. The 4th leg, cutted. Isa ramus atau nanday. And this wild boar is very skillful.
No, no, man, they sudu batang amay.
Siya nga.
Oi.
Very skillful. He know the traps.
Yeah.
When he see the traps,
Yeah.
he overmount the trap.
Oi.
Kalawata.
Right.
Over.
Sidestep.
Iyo. Sidestep.
Yeah.
Right.
So he's very skillful.
Yeah.
So when they doing the one meeting, he call the village headman, come,
Yeah.
everybody,
Sa ka na natitutok.
please come. We have to meeting.
Yeah.
When the my boss eh,
Yeah.
Right.
we have to meeting about this well boy. Even though andaw singa na ko tamay,
Right.
the desert they will bring.
Right.
Yeah.
Come, let's talk about this. We have to kill this one. If no,
Yeah.
you know what? And somebody was calling at the back. You know what?
If no, they'll kill us.
Yeah. We will be skin Malila.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
Yesterday I just planned five
Right.
Ndalo.
Oi.
I come back home when I come again this morning. Are he took away from
Upside
the
down.
uproot Ndalo.
Sa.
Uproot and put it away. You know? E baka me kanya bibi lebu. He on the left, on the right. Nauluna.
Oi, ndar ka kay manage ko.
You know?
Iya.
Apa nuwa? No, we have to kill this one.
Right.
So they call all the retired, all the experience.
Right.
Ayan, dari basa.
Yeah.
We have to go, have to kill this one.
Yeah.
When they go here, they ting the spear.
Yeah.
All the dog run.
Right.
Fish spear.
Giringan na motobang korto sa di menokoli.
Yeah.
They went up right to the mountain, miles away from the village.
Yeah.
So when they went up,
Yeah.
they see the footstep.
Yeah.
Alorin ko na mo inyaban.
3 footstep.
Three.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
It's here.
Three-legged stool.
Like one day ago.
Yeah.
One day ago,
Right.
when they come like one drain, don't
Yeah,
know silly.
Yeah.
One drain like this,
Yeah.
they see, oh, the dog surprise, they
Yeah.
run.
Johnny John, ano
Wala
ba?
sa sugang ko.
Iyo, sa angay pa sarang ko kuya.
Yeah.
Si soso sartunga na buwan ng butuan ko.
Right,
Si bubu sartunga.
Yeah.
Run.
Follow.
When they run, you know nga, they experience, five
Yeah.
of them.
Yeah.
They different corner.
Right.
You know what? He will run on this way.
Yeah.
When the dog run to them,
Yeah.
he will come past this way. Okay, you old man,
Yeah.
you stay up
With
there.
okapi.
With the okapi, the brand of the night. Oh, barang itu kan batin mo okapi, bula-bula.
New Okapi.
New okapi.
Iya.
Siyang ko sabi mga TikTok, sabi
Sana
na
ken,
pile, you know, the
matulog.
white from. They run.
Mamoni kwa.
When they run, irabi to nang kasi ndona buni ko ya.
Yeah.
They had the sound of the barking.
Yeah.
Ow, ow, ow. They run, keep on running. This three leg.
Yeah.
The dog at the back. Merang anak koli.
Iyo.
Can catch.
Can catch. Di sa
Haboleka.
boleh ka.
Iya.
Ya sa boleh ka sir nga. Abi tarag. Akilor to siya nga ka. Bale nga sir nga. Ko ndo rangati. Ready ni bang ko imuri sa when they come at the back like this.
Stop na dabli.
No na iranga.
Iya.
Number China.
Batsui.
Number siguro na.
Kasi safety boot man.
When they run across, the fellow was there, the last man down.
Yeah.
People,
Rabi ko kami sa dibuni.
the other four and the dog running from the back. This well boy in front. This one,
Yeah.
the last man down on the top of the mountain.
Wow,
Napunuan na didibay, no nawala.
Right.
Alay rabi tukino ko, violent up to na sila, okapi.
Iya.
The fella standing on beside like this, and when they see the well boy,
Like this nga.
here,
Ready.
ready.
Yeah.
When they see the well boy,
Yeah.
woo, big head,
Yeah.
big teeth,
Yeah.
the hair of his neck is growing.
Right.
Siya na po to na? Raraw ka ngo.
Matengo.
The buso coming from the mouth.
Sa dunru.
Akiloko yang go na mate na wawa itumbong.
Iya. Dinasar.
When he face like this,
Yeah.
he's stiff. Satu dari itu mandua.
Unconscious.
Unconscious.
Damo bulori.
He's stiff. When he's stiff, he see the well ball, he leave the well ball.
Yeah. Pass.
Pass him.
Yeah.
Pass him the well ball, run bakandua. Now,
He climb.
who?
Climb the tree. What is one? Oh, so. Misal tu mo bulori sana ra misal
No, sarabi nga.
Iyo.
He's sarabi. And the well boran. When the well boran, the dog and the other four right at the back.
Yeah.
Rambalilay men udunrutor. To saling gusto nito. When they run like this, they're standing like this.
Yeah.
Are! Where's the well boa?
Asking question.
Yeah. Where's the well boa?
Yeah.
The well boa passed.
Yeah.
Are, I told you, you're the last man down. You have to cut the neck.
Good.
Cut the well boa.
Kat the neck mendere.
Cut it! Cut it because everybody in the village want to alive. Nobody harvests their farmer because of the.
Yeah.
Are, why you never cut?
Tayo nanda kuna.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Are, when I see the face,
Yeah.
I see the danger. When I see the teeth, I see the sap.
I see death.
When I see the well boy,
Yeah.
I see the death.
Yeah.
I pass
I
him.
don't want to die.
I don't want to die. I pass him. Are, you just cut nga.
Yeah.
The fella said, no. You know?
Yeah.
Because the head first.
Yeah.
If the back comes first, then I think I will cut it. Asin imberor to nang kasi. Natapos ini mamateki na. Sabi ko saro may bikento na lega. Nandao singango.
Iya.
Sa ambula, natapos ini taki na. Ay, yung kaya no sarili na lang kamo ko sa luto may. Kaya baka may aliw menom muna upang mate.
Kamu memang suka-suka main. Ya sudah.
Akiloko sa aliumengo aliumena na rere baki namba china kakele. Ngaida butong ko na kina poswa bonwa lebu. Kaya mama ay balik ko yung ngawan sa ating mauluna. Kaya mama ay mamuri makawarambo ka.
Kaya kami rambo kaya. Kaya ko ay duro sa may balibo.
Kaya lumayan ang tingin na. Pumataw to ka.
Milika, se nang barabian rabenaka, rawa tu na isa mula benaka. Cek tamu tu ay maku mula benaka.
Kau alu mana usul alu mana matana.
Saya dengan
Sinto be mati.
Siento be mate kona na ita ba.
Gaida nani nani rangka.
Irang.
Nama nampulina. Ya set.
Iya, saya. Gaida
To
butong
ay tu cubi ko loti. Kaya rambo kau iku.
rambo ko kami rambo kami to.
Betul, mau
Tino ko ya. Ela.
Iya.
Au kay ngaliwan, ata mo makan yo ayagina. Maka au kay ngaliwan ni sabuso mandakan, au kay ngaliwan ko sa tukan ni titibi, maka au ilama ekoy.
Iya.
Balangan nila mo nakabo ka, kay mamuri maka. Au rambo ka.
Waduh dia bilang rambo nga. Kilo ben bamba rambo nga.
Rambo ka.
Ala na beni na naka.
Nendrenga.
Joseph kini lo mau nampai ni walu belum naka terbatau na
Bulre.
Iya. Au tu ke rambo kaya lele no dir beli bulan di rambo kon na macina.
Iya.
Kaya sin madala.
Chicks. Mau penasaran me, sumtai ko na kada ka pon titi.
Johnny John belum naka. Chicks ni walu. Api sai Suliano Bishop an rabenaka Dems men boleh di menaka.
Oh, bis, ngor bela kabika.
Na Barefoot Resort maya sawa.
Tiada.
Pasti bambe ani bulu na kimni.
Right.
Oh, raturanga. Do tiada.
Tong bula.
Iya. Oh, ngoleli boli yang kori nusur. Situ mo kana fam.
Oh, isa.
Ngoleli kana korsi warung buka. Ya, mau ni pinaka na lumi road na tawa. Tix solong batu ya na matak di kuah.
Right.
Iya. Na temela. Na boleh besar itu akan belum. Roda. Matak bentar kay sotal mo ro bola.
Iyo.
Lebur nang musya. Video ko. Video ni Ramboka.
Right.
Wata kira num hot, wata kira num like. Bentar kay sotal matak.
Laka.